Hello guys and welcome to R&R Japinoy. If you are new to our channel, please do not forget to hit the notification bell below and subscribe to our channel. So today I will teach you how to sing sa classroom may batas. It's very trending nowadays. Kung magnana sa inyong mga tubangan, I will brush my teeth with uling. Tara. Limpyo. Guys, without further ado, let's start. So I have 5 steps on how to sing the Law of Classroom ni Kim Chu. Now, first is the introduction. When doing the introduction, you have to create your own introduction in the song. An introduction, it's a freestyle, so you can do your own introduction that I have in my mind. I will have to do it. Like for example, dapat naay ka ng rhythm, no? Kung unsa lang mong maisip, freestyle siya. So, la la la. Na, pwede rin mo pa prolong. I-prolong ni mo ang imuhang intro. Step 2 is the emotion. Basically, we do have a lot of emotions like happy. Open wide siya, no? Kaya toothbrush ko ganina kaya para makitaan po ninyo akong ngala-ngala. So this is how we do it. Or dapat medyo naa siya vibration para medyo captivating ang imuhang tingog naman. Oh! Para ma-voice out jud mo imong tingog, no? And i-consider imong diaphragm like so kailangan na apoy movement na apoy so there are different types, no, sa lip movement at depende po sa imong emotion kung sad ang kanta sa classroom ay ba na hilak or something, pwede po ka mo happy, pwede lumabas o pwede lumabas. Step 3 is the hand gesture. It's very important to have hand gesture. Like for example, in Kim Chu's song, di ba na siya dito na at sinabmit mo ulit, di ba? So kung nauni mo ang imong audience nga murag pakuratan at sinabmit mo ulit, may batas sa classroom, may batas. Oh yeah, that's the gesture. And how a hand movement and up kay sayaw gamay. Pwede nang lumabas pag-atake sa imong sayaw. So, and the fifth one, the last one is dapat po ang imuhang medyo gikan sa taas pababa like sa classroom ay batas, bawal lumabas, pero pag sinabing pag nag-comply ka na bawal lumabas, pero may sinabi, may ginawa ka sa pinagbabawal nila, inayos mo ang law ng classroom nyo at sinabmit mo ulit, ay pwede na pala ika'y lumabas. Pinagbabawal nila, inayos mo ang law ng classroom niya at sinabmit mo ulit. Bawal, bawal, bawal lumabas.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.